Hello and welcome to this full body seated yoga flow. No extra props are necessary, just a chair or a seat that you're comfortable with. And we're going to begin in a seated position with the feet about hip width apart and then maybe the heels underneath the knees. Palms coming onto the thighs to begin with, and then we're going to begin to flip. So the back of the hands are in contact with the earth, palms up towards the sky. You might need to readjust the shoulders, just ensuring we're not leaning forward. As we arrive here, we'll take 3 rounds of breath. Inhaling through the nose. Letting the shoulders melt with every exhale. As you release that final breath, taking the palms onto the thighs or the knees, we're going to begin to take a little bit of cat-cow, tucking the chin in towards the collarbone so we can stare, beginning to round the spine. Fingertips might glide forward, and then we'll begin to ripple. Shoulders over the sit bones, heart beginning to come forward. Do that 2 more times, tucking and rounding. And final round if we haven't started already. And shoulders coming back over the sit bones. So we're going to begin to take a gentle circle spiral. During we pause and go in the opposite direction if we haven't done so already. Shoulders over the sit bones. We'll take our first twist. Right hand coming along that left limb. Left hand might grab hold of the chair, or maybe we bind. Imagine the 2 peace fingers hooking into the doggy bottoms. Maybe we hook over to that right side. We'll gently begin to release that left hand. Left ear is beginning to come towards the left shoulder. Now we can stay here. This is enough for our neck. Right hand's along that left limb. Otherwise, you might take the fingertips towards the right temple of the ear. We're just adding a gentle pressure. We'll begin to stack the head, lifting that left hand towards the right side. We're taking our twist. Right hand releasing. Again, maybe grabbing hold, maybe we bind. We'll gently begin to release the twist, left hand staying on that right limb. We'll begin to invite the right ear towards the right shoulder. Again, we can stay. Maybe we take the fingertips towards the temple or the ear itself. We'll begin to release, stacking the head. Right hand coming onto that left thigh. We're tucking and rounding. Arms are crossed. And shoulders beginning to come over the sit bones, lifting the arms up overhead. Left hand grabbing the right fingertips. We'll begin to take a side stretch. And center, right hand grabbing the left. Reminding ourselves if this is too much, fingertips to the ears or towards the shoulders themselves. We'll take the arms up, beginning to release the hands down. And we're going to begin to come into a figure of 4. Now my left foot, you might take towards your right ankle. We can stay here. This is enough for us, particularly if there's any issues with the hips at this point in our time. Or what you might begin to take is the ankle onto the thigh. So regardless of where we are, we're going to take a gentle circle spiral. So the fingertips are lightly on the thighs of the shin. And we can begin to lengthen, staying exactly where we are, chin parallel with our lap. Or maybe we begin to hinge. Maybe elbows come onto the thighs themselves. Fingertips might begin to reach down towards the earth. We'll begin to rise. We'll take a twist. Right hand coming onto that near thigh. Again, that left pinky edge of the foot can stay in contact with the earth. And we'll begin to release. So the left foot coming back down towards the earth, we'll take it on the other side. Right sole of the foot coming towards that left ankle, staying, or maybe with a bit of support, we take the ankle onto the thigh itself, taking our gentle circle spiral. We'll lengthen, staying here, we'll begin to hinge. Again, imagine elbows or forearms. Maybe we melt. Beginning to lift the torso up. We'll take your twist. Left hand onto that right limb. Gently releasing the twist. Right foot coming back down towards the earth. As the right foot comes down, we're going to begin to toe heel the feet closer together, coming through to a seated Baddha Konasana, or seated butterfly. So beginning to open up. Big toes can stay together. Maybe they come a little bit further forward. Having a little bit of a play. And then we're going to begin to take the arms up overhead. Now, YMCA hovering, maybe a gentle high five, just ensuring that you're not blocking the sound out. Hands beginning to come back down towards the heart, soles of the feet to the earth. We'll begin to bow the head down towards the hands. In gratitude for investing in this very short seated yoga practice. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the description. Otherwise, have an amazing day, and I'll see you again soon.